days.
Can you bless me with something money-wise?
40 minutes till open. Open it up.
There's no way it's a short again on SPY and ES right here for the third time, right?
I would
Fourth
like
time?
to see a little move lower, but I'm bullish, so I'm not trying to play short into the open. But you could see a little slap.
Yeah, this would be the fourth time, so we'll see. Mentioned a few names yesterday for upside. Dell for 500. It is over 500. HPQ stock is up like over 7%. And then also McDonald's. Looking to see if we can get this breakout on McDonald's. Looking at 290 calls for a potential swing for 918 expiration.
Are you a big McDonald's guy?
The biggest.
Sandra wants you to smoke weed on stream, Will, or the beer. She just said we want that, Will. Just saying. George would say the Evan trading stream would go pretty well. He thinks. I might take your jobs. 10-minute CBC flip. I'm long gold. No, I'm kidding. Sorry.
I'd love to see it, baby.
Yeah.
I'd love to see it.
I just threw something out of my butt that I've heard Maple say.
Alrighty. We're releasing the bull, Evan.
Little monster action.
Yeah, hopefully we can release the bull on the charts too this morning. Let's see.
I'm looking at data. There really isn't that much more today. We got most of it in the morning.
We had some. Do we have Fed speakers?
Oh, look at that 15-minute fair value gap, Jordan, on MNQ.
Wait.
It just pops up out of nowhere for me. Dude, this indicator is dumb.
There is one forming. Or we have to wait till this 15-minute candle closes.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's like forming because it doesn't adjust if the candle gets lower.
But it's 20 seconds till close on this 15-minute candle. So yeah, you're right. It's opening. We know that will be there. And that is a great condition. So I actually like that you said that because that 15-minute gap there, I can very easily use as like my condition, meaning if this and that, right? Like if we're holding that, I'm going to accept that. Okay, well, if we're holding that, the next high to the left is what? The high from 1:30 in the morning. If we're holding order flow, we should trade to that market open, tapping in that 15-minute gap here. So now I'm watching. Let's see. Do we respect this gap? If we do, I expect higher into the highs to the left and that pre-market high. If we run through that, then it's like, no, okay, maybe we need to take out the lows first, trade a bit lower, and then we'll look for the long setup, right? Always if this and that.
Look, dude, I'm an ICT trader now, Jordan.
Yeah.
I'm killing it, dude.
Yeah.
So I guess it was a short right at market open on SPY.
Yeah, Casey was right.
Instant red candle. I mean, it's freaking dumb. Yeah, look at this.
Yo,
dude.
good morning, guys. What's up?
Good morning, sir.
It's crazy. It's crazy out here.
Respecting 15-minute gaps so far.
Respect
Gold.
your 15-minute gaps. I kind of like the gold short here, actually. I'm going to take it.
You can respect mine. Shit.
Also have a 15-minute order block here.
All right. Sell green, cover red, gold. Working out beautifully so far.
Oh, he already in it? Oh.
Yeah. It's
I'm sure with you, Will.
Because he's in
Gold
it
short.
to win it. He's in it to win it. Oh, yeah. Nobody knows where that's from.
Dump,
I
dump,
guarantee
dump,
you.
dump, dump. Come on. Dump it.
You singing in High School Musical?
No, dude, that is
What?
Jump In with Corbin Blue. Remember the Double Dutch movie on Disney Channel?
Yeah, that Doug Road movie. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, with Keke
Okay,
Palmer.
That's right. Dude, you're damn. I didn't know.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Right?
Beautiful. Come on. You want it. You want it.
She wants it.
All right. Come on. Come on. Oh, tap it. Tap the TP. Damn you.
I like AM Dizzle here. The Dizzly Wizzly. She's looking good. A 500 building above. She's so expensive.
Let's see if they want to give it to us, Maple.
Yeah, like I want to see like micro pivot 37, but they could hold like this London orb high. That's my concern. I don't have crazy
same.
size out of the gate as usual.
Yeah. I don't like that doji. That 3-minute doji is not going to be
Good stick.
ideal.
Watching this opening price of that 30-minute down close candle that you see at 8 o'clock Eastern, seeing a lot of sensitivity around that area.
I suspect they'll try to push it up into EMAs here again if they don't send it back to the pivot.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. IWM new all-time high.
Oh,
All right,
She's
come on,
she's ripping
come on.
out
look
of
at this
the
bounce. Yeah, look at this fucking ripper.
Q's lagging. SPY just over previous day high.
Come on, give me the game. Give me the TP. Let's go. Let's go.
IDubs.
Don't you do that. Don't rob me. There we go. 7-point gain. Covered a third.
Let's go. What a freaking
Nice.
goat. All right, 5-point gain, gold, covered half.
All right. Come on. 10-point gain. Covered another third.
I didn't take
Oh,
that.
Dude, this man is after it this morning.
He's after it.
No, we pamping. We're
Made me
pamping.
Salty, bro. Yesterday got me all salty, so now I'm like, I'm revenge trading. I'm revenge trading.
Dude, those are my best days. After a red day or like a tough day in the market, man, I am hungry to get it back.
Nice. Got my stop at break even. Risk free trade now.
Nice.
Let's go. Oh,
Look at this ripper.
it's
dude.
moving. There's some volume right here.
All right, I like these AMD
Wow.
calls. Maybe some 520s for August 21st.
Whoa, MNQ. Holy shit.
Yeah. 15-minute gap held.
Can I get that same volume on gold, please? Just to the downside? Come on. Push it.
These fucking imbalances are all fun and games until that 15-minute gap holds and rips against you in your fucking face like that. Jeez. Goodness.
Let's see. Let's see what we can do here, baby.
I should have just entered off that bigger time frame order block. I'm an entry here. It's have to ride into a spot at like 870s, but I just hate to try and bottom pick that low.
There's 7,800 ES.
That's
All-time high, not too far away. 820.
Here we go. Damn.
Yeah, we're gonna see all time today for ES. I think. At this point, fuck it.
I'm going to trim these AMD calls here.
Casey, I got something that I'm looking at. I got something in my mind right here. I want to hear your thoughts on it.
Uno momento, por favor.
When you have a minute, yeah.
I am trimming out some really good games on these.
30K incoming in queue.
Here comes a big target for me. That 30,00150. Damn.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful, dude. So you did it went right through that 15-minute fair value gap, Jordan. Look at that.
Yep.
Insane green candles across the board here. QQQ is absolutely ripping. NVIDIA gaming candle. AMD is flying over $100 per contract gain already on these calls.
No news to attribute to this move? Nope, nothing. Damn.
All right, for all the listeners, if you're not following all the
Holy
speakers passing
shit.
out free money this morning, make sure you go and follow everyone on the panel right now.
Damn, bro.
Oh my God.
I'm cooked.
Yeah, they're pamping this thing.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go, gold. Keep dumping, dude. Oh my God, the AMDs are at 700. No
Holy
fucking way.
They're
We're at
ripping the market.
700.
We're dumping.
All right, trailed stock into profit now. Holy.
What a move.
I sleep
Hard
in one
fill
minute.
at 700 out half.
I sleep
Joe, you
in.
slept, dude. Joe, go back to sleep, bro. Go back to sleep.
I might. I can't trade this now. What the hell are you guys doing?
What are you talking about? You chase, Joe. You chase. Obviously.
Oh,
It works out
I
every
sold
time,
it,
bro.
or I covered another quarter there, gold.
Hell yeah.
Good morning. What a move.
Beautiful.
I wonder if we could see pre-market low here on gold. That'd be awesome.
So I took out one of my first targets there. The high. Now we'll see if we want to pump to Wednesday's high. That's next target for me.
I'm gonna set up a limit order for pre-market low just in case we have a crazy wick down.
I didn't even have an entry, though, really. So,
I didn't have an entry either.
yeah, I'm not even set that I didn't.
The only thing I could have done is tried to take it off this order block based off of what I've already seen in pre-market, but it's a riskier entry trying to pick that low, even though it's like what I was looking for, like you to swing lower, then distribute higher. What did we do in the pre-market? Accumulated sideways, manipulated lower into that 15-minute gap to rip higher, but just no fucking entry for me. Sucks.
Netflix popping, man. It's about to get over that level we talked about on either Monday or Tuesday. Yeah.
What's interesting too, Jordan, is that yesterday Brian mentioned this, and you and I agreed, I believe. But like you have this kind of like semi-flag forming on the 4-hour and the daily.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, and so it's like a move like this was to be expected. You know?
100%. We've been talking about it.
Yeah, a move like this to the upside or the downside, like the pressure buildup was there.
Absolutely. And we haven't, if you're looking at that chart, we have not even broken out of it.
Exactly.
The high is Wednesday's high, which is 73.25, 30,073.25. And yeah, if we're clearing that, I see more Momo to step in personally. I'm not thinking we sweep that high and come back in, but maybe the market tells me I'm wrong there. We'll see.
No, you guys are fine. I'm feeling comfy holding long.
Yeah, good stuff. Like, I'm not in it, unfortunately, at the moment, but
Ooh, Netflix.
Oh,
Ooh, baby. Ooh, feeling good, dude. Feeling good on my Netflix play right now.
Oh, me too.
I didn't even check on my lead, dude. Let me check on my lead.
Is Evan still here?
I am.
Ooh, my lead.
What was your question, good sir?
I think Apple is going to go back to all-time highs heading into this iPhone event. I was looking at calls. The iPhone event is on September 9th, I believe. It loves to do the run up into it and sell off out of it. 304.
100%.
I was looking at like 325s September 11th. For that one is where I have an order in right now. I haven't gotten filled yet, but it felt like a KC possible play too. Just want to get your thoughts.
Yeah, let me give it a little.
You don't have to do it right now, but look, I don't even know if right now is the right time.
Oh my God, gold flush.
You're good. So looking at some things right now, I'm seeing a lot of support. Obviously down as it gets closer to 300, but 302.50 is a big spot. But right now, I'm actually seeing an increase at 307.50 to 310, specifically 310 for August 21st. So as of right now, it's looking good. I like where it's bouncing at on the daily too. Just a little SR flip area down there, obviously. So same thing. I think buying down here, good risk to reward. On the chart, the internals kind of support that a little bit too, as long as they continue to hold, and I'll run up into it. And then obviously Apple likes to sell the news when it happens, so I kind of do like that.
I just got filled on some September 11th 315s at $4.
Nice.
Nice.
Ooh, hood up.
Yeah, I see some flow going into the 307.50. So I mean, people are positioning for the upside.
Wow, dude, Soxel only up 3% today. So this is not a semi move.
Yeah, I was hoping a little bit more on my my USO.
Oh, come on, give me some green here, gold. Let's just fake them out. Come on.
I don't know who mentioned hood yesterday, but it is definitely catching my attention today.
Does anyone remember the hood trade from Monday?
Yeah, you got those captured puts, right?
We sold puts on the hoodie on Monday, and they are very green so far.
Hell yeah, dude.
Let me go give it a gonda. Let me see. Up a little bit, nothing crazy. 22% on the hood, nice and easy. But we won 100.
Oh, dude, Case, you need to have a show segment called Under the Hood. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, that'd be pretty fucking dope.
Oh my god, bro.
Aren't you a car guy too, Casey?
Exactly, dude.
I
He talks
am.
about hood and he talks about his car, bro.
I also use Under the Hood as a reference when I'm looking at the internals for like the indices and a few
Oh
things
my
as well.
god,
You're
bro,
looking
it
at, like,
works. It works.
It really does. Dude, I could live stream going through my technical analysis while I'm sitting in the driver's seat of my Corvette.
There you go.
Like technical analysis from the vet.
I'm long 30K backtest.
There you go, bro. Oh,
That's what I do every morning pre-market before the market opens up. I go sit in my driveway in my Corvette and just live stream, just looking at the market, how it's
So,
going.
and then what I'll do to kind of on the side of this, Casey, is I'll get my motorcycle and I'll start getting really good at the wheel strategy, and I'll call it wheels up.
Wheels up.
And I'll just do wheelies and talk about the wheel strategy. I have to get like a microphone for my helmet though.
15-point game, trailing.
Yeah. Oh, dude, what if I just like cruise on the motorcycle and I have my GoPro out and then I just have streams put up like on the side, and I basically talk about like different technical analysis or trades I took while
I am
riding
long in
motorcycle.
queue.
Hell yeah.
I'm trailing.
Oh, you're
I
long.
like that,
Oh,
Maple.
damn.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
at
just
50
holding
points.
this 3-minute CBC. I think we just base off 20s and we see 70s, 80s next.
Oh
There we
my
go.
god, Maple! I'm gonna go for some options for next week. I like this bull flag break.
So
I'm gonna send another
AMD
hold a runner.
is AMD's not even making a new high on this candle right now, but the premiums are absolutely getting pumped right here. I'm going to go ahead and take a trim of $100 and almost $50 now per contract gain.
I'm going to sell
Nice.
half MNQ here.
I'm out majority. My runner's up 60 points.
Holy hell, dude. M&Q just moving.
I don't think anyone's called a loss this morning. We're just that good, bro.
Or is that
Look,
you
we're
were
70s, 80s. Look. Give me 50. 50-point gain MNQ, sold a quarter. GG.
Give me 100 points, sub 90.
GG, no reason. I want 100% on AMD. These motherfuckers are gonna go in the money.
Dude, I love this team. I love this team, bro.
Cheers are gonna rob you. Watch out, bro.
My stops and profits.
Oh,
73
all these
points with
highs
the
being
base at 75.
ran. Oh, fuck.
There you go, gold. Keep flushing. Come on, get that nice, nasty EMA 9 rejection. Come on, baby.
Dude, they're still pumping these premiums. AMD's barely moving. I'm just gonna go ahead and take more off here now at 800 from 520 entry.
Give me a hundo. Give me a hundo.
QQQ's breaking this bull flag on the daily, guys. I like this setup for the next week.
Give me the bill breaker. 30,100.
Dude, we're freaking
My money's not
pumping
green,
this
it's blue.
morning. We are pumping this morning.
Market just said bullish, question mark? Yes.
100-point gain MNQ.
Nice.
Bill
Let's
broken.
go, Joe.
Scaling trail. Let's go, Joe.
Go, Joe.
Go, Joe. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday.
Let's go, baby. Oh my god, I put my stop at 100 points. Let's go.
All right.
Do we get?
Yeah, we took out, held 30,000, took out 30,074s. Took out all those highs.
Took out all of them.
I want to start a short at 7:30 here, just for a quick little dip.
Fuck me, dude.
All right, I'm down to the runners there. About 69-point gain. GG.
If we get a nice little pump on gold here, I might add to my short.
Do we all
Better not
agree?
ladder. You better not ladder at orb. You better not.
I won't. Wait. I'm patient. I'm patient, people. I'm patient.
Dude, I am not. I have a problem.
I'm waiting for that EMA 20 tap.
$7.30.
Or we might flop this CDC flip here on gold. Jesus. They just keep nuking it every time.
That is a new all-time high on spot.
Yep.
Go.
Wow.
Should see 7,800 on SPX today. I mean, we're only 8 points away.
Man.
Look at this thing
Such a
running.
beautiful environment. Low resistance run. Oh,
Freaking new all-time. So you know who hasn't made a new all-time high yet?
Q.
NASDAQ.
Dude, it's
NASDAQ. Dude, we've been ringing the bell. What did I say too about this environment, man? Like, everybody's probably sitting here after that pump on Tuesday from the previous week saying, no, we need to pull back more. We need to pull back more. What do you mean we need to pull back more? We just did it. We know
We're definitely not in a bear market.
Short pullbacks, expansions higher, way further than you think.
Dude, you know what's hilarious about QQQ right now is if you go to QQQ on the weekly, tell me this just doesn't look like a bull flag that just wants to break out and go to.
That's what I'm saying, Casey. I'm loving this, man.
Screaming it, man.
I'm bullish.
Dude, like you get one, and I'll say it. I mean, you'll get one minor pullback, little correction, whatever. I mean, it's for me the scary-ish pullback was in April of 2025. Did I flip and think we were going down? No, I actually started a lot of long-term positions there. That's where I started buying my first positions on Tesla, AMD, NVIDIA. I now own NVIDIA with an average of $94. I bought Amazon down there. All of those dips, and you get the one in March as well underneath the daily 200. I mean, yeah, we had like 3 weeks, a little bit of downside action. But a lot of people just start freaking out and they're like, yep, recession's coming, market's gonna start crashing, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I don't know where people are
150
reading.
points on the runner. Sorry, Casey.
No, you're fine. No, you're good. I don't know where people are reading things online to get those kind of ideas that that's coming. But as far as I know, this has always been this year. And I mean, for the last few months, it's still a bull market. They're still buying dips. There's no reason to think at any point in time we are just going to start crashing down just because you see a minor pullback on your daily and weekly charts. It's insane to think that.
I'm almost done trying to convince people because there will always be people that are so bearish for no reason.
Let them give us their money. It's okay.
Honestly, it reminds me that there will always be liquidity in the market, man. Like there will
100%.
Dude, my favorite thing, Jordan, is talking to people or having people tell me that when they don't even like trade or participate in the market at all. Like they're just like my friends that don't trade, and they're just like, "Yo, so like it's gonna crash at some point, though, right?" I'm like, "Dude,
Oh
shut
my
up."
gosh, it's
Like,
hilarious,
dude, shut
right?
up.
Dude,
Hey,
shut up.
110 point gain MNQ. I'm trailing stop higher. Gold just broke lows. We're up 12 points here. Fantastic trades across the board.
I'm almost
Shout
up
out
20
to the
points in the
team.
gold short, bro.
Let's go, brother.
Get that runner cooking right now.
It's like, I think a lot of people as well, maybe listening,
know,
I'm not sure. I'd imagine that they'd be able to tell the difference. But yeah, there's days where we're going long and short with futures, right? We're taking SPY calls, but then the next day we're taking SPY puts. I'm like, yeah, I want to see SPY fall all the way down right here from, 720 or QQQ from 727. I want to see it pull back all the way down here to 722, right? Like that's just me day trading between ranges. Just because I'm taking calls, on Monday and then taking puts on Tuesday doesn't mean like I'm flipping my bias on the overall market. I'm day trading and take advantage of the smaller time frame setups. But just because you take puts on SPY QQQ doesn't mean I'm bearish on the market or think we're gonna end up crashing going lower. I mean, me day trading QQQ again, I'm taking for $3 to $4 lower. That is absolutely nothing for QQQ to go $3 to $4.
I didn't want to stop your beautiful voice, but I did get a short up there on QQQ 730 puts for tomorrow expiration. I'm already up $11 a contract.
See, like this guy right here, he's taking QQQ puts. Apparently, he's bearish on America and the market. I don't understand what's going on.
I'm looking to get back to 730 and then trim it out or right near it. I'm up $17 a contract right now. Come on.
All I know is that I think we're going to see new all-time highs on a few names here soon. That's going to help Qs get up there next.
Gold broke London or blow. Charles, stop. Don't chase below these pivots.
Hell yeah, dude.
I think I'm done for the day, man.
Let's go. $9.54. So the market's only been open for 24 minutes, Maple.
Dude, I used to work 10, 11-hour days in the car lot, motorcycle lot, man.
Right.
These are the days that I work hard for.
Yes, sir.
20-minute days, 30-minute days. NQ, relentless. They're trying to break highs again.
Yeah, they are.
Based off those 20s, we see 70s, 80s next. So 30,200 bill breakers in play.
I'm going to stop out if they get above 731.30 on Qs. 731.30. After this dip, I do want to go long, if we do get the dip at least. Looking at 732 on Qs. If they go crazy, 734. Already up 1% on the day for Qs. SPY up 0.6. I think SPX is going to get 7,800.
Gotta be 10. Want to move?
What a move.
Glad I slept in, actually.
Come on, get that pre-market low gold. You know you want it.
Come on, show me 730.
Oh my god, MNQ is still running up, dude. Not MNQ, MES, sorry, MES. Oh, look at that.
Tesla is on a huge tear right now. Just reversing the entire move from yesterday.
Come on, gold. Give me like a nice little push up so I can add it to short.
Not sure if anyone swung SpaceX puts with me yesterday. They are green this morning. SpaceX moving over.
I'm definitely gonna get stopped out on this short here. I'm only down 8 cents right now.
Hell
I'm gonna get stopped out though.
fuck no.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck no.
I deserve it. I'm shorting America.
How dare you?
Dude, my Netflix. Oh,
I know, dude. Mine's up 13%.
Oh. I closed the QQQ short for a $13 per contract louse. Because we're just going to pamp.
You're
Just gonna pamp
a damp, dude. This is
Dude, how big is that orb range?
this is crazy.
We're about to have 30-minute
We're
orbs
still
set.
going.
We have a 300-point orb range, guys.
This is wild. These are
Okay.
the type of markets we get though, and they're gonna for all-time highs. That's how it is. Short pullbacks, big expansions.
RBRK 52 gas.
There's our 70s, 80s, like I said, after basing on the 20s. Let's see Bill Breaker next, 30,200. Just continue to trail the stop. I'm not going to chase it up here.
Yeah, good stuff.
Full port long right now. Let's go. MQ.
Dude, it probably will work.
Oh, it would work.
Honestly, it probably would. I'd probably get like a nice 25 points and be able to get out. But so much risk, bro. It's just stair stepping on a 3-minute. Oh my god.
Gotta be able to watch a price just float, not be in it. It's okay.
Are you speaking for yourself, Jordan?
Yeah, and others out there. Because like,
I mean,
if you're trying
your
to buy this high a day, like I don't care who you are, you're trading with emotion.
You're
So,
gambling. You're gambling.
Enjoy that. Like enjoy that. I am in a place in my trading where I can expect. I was expecting this move this whole time. You guys heard my pre-market analysis, and we're freaking 300 points up, and I didn't trade it, and I'm fully content and okay with it.
Yes, sir.
That is a superpower. That is my superpower. If it ain't what I want, I ain't taking it. And unfortunately, I just didn't get the setup for this and get the entry that I at least was looking for. It was too fast for me.
Damn, I was trying to add my gold short, but they took it from me. Just need a little bit more on that.
Yes, new all-time high, but we have not seen all-time highs on NQ, so
No,
I
sir.
like that should follow
We got
suit.
room.
She's gonna get
Yes,
there
sir.
when these when the
Next
semis
week or so.
start pumping. Yeah, when the semis start pumping back up, it's gonna help Qs get a move up higher. take it to all-time highs, in my opinion. I think you can probably see continuation. I want to see NVIDIA make a new all-time high. I want to see SMH start getting some green days and pushing higher. I think once that happens, we'll see Qs at all-time high.
On NDX specifically, you're 686 points away from that all-time high. It's about 900 points on the current MNQ contract.
I'm taking my first trim here on my SpaceX puts that I called out yesterday.
Ooh.
By the way, there goes SPX.
Yesterday I mentioned DRAM and RAM. I really think the trade is back on. So moved pretty big yesterday, but I still think there's room to the upside.
Blake, all those positions you were taking recently, dude, those are, if you hold some of those into all-time highs and we get there, it's going to be cooking, man. So good.
I'm just convinced that the bottom was in July. Like that was.
I'm with you. Yeah. We've seen this movie before.
There's gold. Nice. There's the push.
There's Gould.
And the clock just opened up, by the way. 4-hour candle. That last 4-hour candle was how many points of range? 386. It's a juicy candle.
Nice rejection on EMA 9 again. I want to see us bust through this orb low here. I did add to my gold short, by the way. Or as Jordan says, pyramid in.
Yeah. Or you can use maple stacks too and move the ladder.
The ladder. Well, technically, Maple does that on separate accounts, though. I did this on just my copy.
Yeah. True. I would say, laddering's kind of different. I love pyramiding, guys.
Give me the pre-market. Oh.
I think pyramiding can be really, really difficult, though, especially if you're new. So don't focus on that for those in the audience.
Yeah, I waited for a nice green wick up to add to the short, so I didn't lower my average too much. And then I just moved my stop accordingly. Like you said, I'm risking the same amount, but I'm like...
That's all it's about, is having those spots where it's like, oh, we cleared this. Okay, now since we've done this, I don't expect the market to come down here, which means I can move my stop up, which now on a downtick to, a fair value or like an EMA you could be using, right? Like, oh, on a downtick, I'm going to add to my long, right? Since I was able to move my stop up and I'm going to keep my risk the same. It can be really difficult, but if you get good at it, oh my gosh, dude, you just rinse markets. So good.
Yeah, my average is so up there too, is so high that my risk is still break even. Like I don't have risk on this trade.
And there's going to be times where you do end up adding, and it stops you out. That's part of the game. You just accept it, and you know that more times you're going to be right in what you're doing. You know what I mean? And you just trust that. And you be confident in what you're doing.
Exactly. A lot of resistance here at the orb low on gold. They tried to sweep it, and now they're pushing it up. Yeah, there we go.
The only issue I have with that is people will sometimes hear that, and then they'll go and just be adding to positions super randomly. And it's you have to be strategic with it. You have to have some sort of system when you're adding to winners, especially because you're going to be bringing your average up, right? It's going to be it's going to be worsening your average. So you have to be very strategic with what you're doing.
Don't add to losers, add to winners. There you go.
Yeah. I like to, if you're taking full position, I know everybody trades a little different. So obviously if you're saying, no, I'm taking a quarter size position and I'll work into it and make it full, then that's when I think adding to losers can work. That's something Emp does, and he does it very well. But if you're taking, your full risk size off first rip, I think adding to losers is a game to blow accounts. You're just going to blow accounts over and over.
Adding to losers. What a loser.
I say it because I've done it, man. I've I've done it.
We've all
You
been
have
there,
to work
bro.
into them if you're adding the losers.
We've all been there, brother. We've all been there.
You know. Well,
Wow,
this
look
one
at that
is-
pump on gold here.
What's Dixie doing? Just dumping.
Dixie's like, yeah, nah, fam.
It actually got over that spot I was watching though. Then came back in. We're like back testing it now.
We get a 3-minute CBC flip here. I'll just get out of the trade.
Apple new high day. Adobe looking good. AMD looking good. 2%. APP's looking great, up 3.5. What else we got? ASML up 2%. A lot of stocks looking really good this morning. This spread. Look, even Circle is getting a nice bounce, 2.5%. There we go. CoreWeave 4.5. That's getting a little slapped right now. Robinhood is trying to break a new high a day at 5.3%.
That beautiful $100 mark.
Marvell looking good, 4.5% on the day. Look at Netflix, Will.
And
Up
not Ben
4%.
either. We both got in on that. That's great.
Having a nice move.
Yes, gold. Dump it. Dump.
PLTR's up 3%. Rocket Lab, S&DK 3.7. Cisco is down 7.8%.
Cisco.
Cisco, mi amigo.
There we go, dude. Gold is just freaking dumping right now. Oh my God, there we go.
Interesting, gold.
I didn't call any of the trades because honestly I can't talk that fast, but I just read to green my Vanquish account.
Hell yeah.
Dude, this one is like GD, SPX 779 add whatever cents, you know what I mean? And like add into it. So I just don't even try to.
All right, I'm out here at or blow on gold. Nice. Overall, it's a 40-point gain on the trade, I believe.
Nice.
Yeah. Not bad.
What a fucking awesome day. I don't know if I'll trade my Lucid. I hit that long on the Tradeify. Red to green to Vanquish eval that I did not trade before CPI this week, so it's my first trades on that this week. Good stuff.
Yes, sir.
Wow, MNQ's still going, bro. Did you trailing stop get hit, Joe?
On MNQ, yeah, I closed that at 150 points.
Dude, hell yeah. I love to see, bro.
Very nice.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be patient and wait now. I mean, I'm in profit for the day. I'm not gonna try to push it.
I have taken 0 entries.
Would be 200 points mentioned.
Especially after yesterday's shit show.
You know, I am watching this daily candle wick from July 2nd that just the top wick of that, I'm watching the midpoint 30,202.25 here. About has happened to it. Just keeping an eye on that, seeing if we have any sensitivity around it or not. I also have the high of that wick marked if we want to pump to that, but I want to see if there's any sensitivity around the midpoint.
Yeah, there's Billy, bro.
A Billy.
Oh, 200. Let's go. 160 points. And gold is still down. Let's see pre-market low, 420. Blaze it.
Mama.
Tapping midpoint.
My goodness.
I will be right back.
Catch you.
Oh wow, yeah, the gold wants this pre-market low, dude. Damn, I got out way too soon. Oh, come on. You guys said M&Q pumped even more?
Yeah, it's
Oh my
over
God.
30,200. Yep.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
210s.
bro. I should have just full ported that long. You're right, dude.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. When in doubt, just chase it.
Yeah, always chase. Never goes wrong.
Never, bro.
Remember, we're in the game of longevity here, even as day traders. Longevity game.
Hey, I'm here for a good time, not a long time, Jordan.
Hey, well, I guess that's the difference between you and me.
Start hearing me announce like account blown.
It's funny because I still feel those. I still feel every emotion. Like I want to buy high a day still. Like it's the same as day one, but like learning to just not listen to that voice. Paper touched on it at the event. Really good. It's like you can think everything you want. You can think all the crazy thoughts. Think I want to buy this. I want to oversize here. This and that. You just can't do it. You literally just got to keep yourself from doing that.
Don't press the button.
Don't press the button, you know? As hard as it is, because we only want to take those actions that are keeping us here, you know?
Yeah, don't press the button, dude, and that's a trade right there. We talk about this all the time, but not trading is a trade, guys. So.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I mean, Will and I are just joking. You know, we're just like,
Oh, I know you are. Yeah.
busting chops. You know what I mean? Because I'm just putting myself in the mindset of a novice trader, right? They're gonna, if they follow that, they got paid. They're gonna think that's a consistent strategy until they find out it is not, right? You guys should be trading pullbacks, practice patience, and limit yourself on how many trades you take a day.
Yeah.
And what's cool is as you get better, you're able to get more lenient with yourself because you get better at managing risk, right? And so you can take those little riskier shots here and there because you're so good at managing your money. That's it's whatever, you know. That was me yesterday. I took 3 trades. It's unlike me. I don't usually do that in all that chop too, but manage risk well. I'm able to take those shots and not really care about it. Oh. Wishing I just pressed the button right on that market open, dude. Damn.
Yeah, look at that. It's what VWAP perfectly, too. M&Q just tagged the VWAP on 3 minute and just ripped.
The only thing I had to enter off of on my system was that gap and order block, but I wanted to see some sort of lower time frame, you know, I don't know. Well, anything, but we just ripped.
Yeah, for me, where I entered, it was super risky, but 3 minute CBC was bullish there from 9:36.
Yeah, everything
So
through
I
your
was
system lined up. It was there.
Yeah, if it maintains 3 minute CBC, I'm in. If it doesn't, I'm out. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, I love it. Unfortunately, on days like
I
this is
flat
where
gold,
my
12 points.
system suffers.
Yeah, I was gonna say gold ones at it here, man. The Orblo's holding it pretty well, but we are rejecting off EMA 20.
Yeah, if it goes further, you know, I'm happy for everyone, but I'll take that and lock those accounts. I don't have to stress
Yeah,
about
exactly.
it.
You're getting a lot of resistance down here. It's better just to get out of the way and just wait for another opportunity.
Probably.
I'm gonna be watching MNQ and MES now, but I'm just waiting. Get that EMA interaction going on.
Yes, sir.
Or, you know, to Jordan's point, we could, you know, push back into one of these fair value caps on the 15-minute.
We'll see. What a strong trend. I do have a spot, like, if we do take a dip, I'd like to see us rebalance this 5-minute gap at, like, 120s. But, I mean, structure is just higher low, higher high right now. Can't really expect that yet.
Look at that. My chart on the 3-minute marked out the gap at 120. Oh, look at that.
Here we go.
I think this one's from Lux Algo, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is.
I think, too, you can, they have some settings in there that you can flip them around in that one. And I think you can change it to where it marks how I do them a little, or like closer to how I do them.
Yeah, I see like threshold, unmitigated levels, mitigation levels.
Dude, they'll do everything for you too. They have another one that's like draws out premium. Casey used to use this one, like the premium, the equilibrium, and the discount on every time frame. I think Casey used that in the past.
Yes, sir, I did.
Yes, sir.
I still kind of do. I just I have like my own
You don't
indicators and stuff that kind of show me the same thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, being able to find key zones where buyers and sellers are present, and then obviously I like using the midpoint, which for me is going to be 50%. I have that on my indicator that tracks it live with the price action, and it's just great because that can be a good reaction point. I mean, you get a pull back down to your equilibrium, or your 50% retracement of that zone or that area. I mean, usually you're going to get some kind of decent reaction right there. So if things line up across the board, it can be a great entry point sometimes. I love it. Dude, Q's is just, yeah. Dude, grinding.
Gold might flip here, Mabel. It might flip long if it can break out of EMA 20. Possibly search for that EMA 20 on 15-minute at 441.
Yeah, Microsoft is still looking really, really good. I think Google, there it is. Look, I was literally just talking about Google for about 10 minutes ago for 347.50.
Let's go Netflix and my sofa, bro. I bought some sofa. Let's go.
Some Sophie.
No, sofa, the 2x leverage Sophie. I like to put my money where my mouth is, so when I do the stock picks, I usually end up getting into those plays as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I picked sofa and I picked Netflix. Well, I picked the 2x leverage Netflix, but I was already in the lead when I picked that, so I'm just sticking with the lead. And now we wait. What a great day, though.
Beautiful.
Great day. A beautiful day. Time to play some landscape and not look at the market. Who am I meeting in Lumbridge? Let's go. Come on. Joe, I feel like you crush at RuneScape, bro. I don't know why.
I've never played it.
No shot.
No shot, he says.
Not long.
Yeah.
Breaking my heart right now, dude.
Never played it, bro.
I thought we were brothers, man. What the fuck? I feel so betrayed right now.
I could never lie to you, though.
I think this is a great moment to remind all the listeners, right? If you guys have hit daily goal or you've made a comfortable amount of profit, something that you want to screenshot and send to your friends, please lock your account, all right? Your daily goal has been met. Log the day, stack the consistency, stack the confidence, and come back stronger tomorrow, please.
Agreed.
That's a great proxy. Do you want to screenshot it? If yes, then it's enough.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I got a lot of screenshots this morning. I'm done.
Yeah, right when you press the screenshot button, the next thing you do is you go to the risk management tab and you press the lock all accounts on TradeSinger.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, 3-minute EMA 20 on gold's holding pretty well here. I do like that flip, though. We'll see. We'll see what happens with it. I'm more inclined to look at gold here than I am MNQ and MES. We're so far gone from the EMAs. It's going to take like a nice pullback. Oh, dude, I just realized Hell Let Loose Vietnam comes out today. Let's go. That's going to be so much fun.
I watched the new Spider-Man movie last night. It was pretty good.
I need to see that still.
I enjoyed it.
See, when you have a kid, Joe, it makes it much harder just to go randomly and see a movie.
That makes sense.
If I get some more profits today, I might just take the day off, go watch Spider-Man, go watch a matinee.
Might just go by himself.
I need to watch the new one.
I have AMC freaking A-list too, dude. It's like $30 a month. You get 4 movies a week for free, like included in that, and you can watch any of them. You can watch like Dolby, IMAX, like all that.
My question is, do you actually use that membership?
Well, so the thing is, it's $30 a month. A movie ticket is like $18 now if you do Dolby.
Yeah.
So even if you watch just 2 movies a month, it's worth it.
Do you watch 2 movies a month?
I try to. There's nothing that good though.
He's avoided the answer pretty consistently.
So what I've come to, what I've come to is he is losing money.
Am I coping? Possibly, but I just want to point out that I try.
But it doesn't matter if you're losing money because you're making it in Netflix right now.
Exactly, dude. See, Knox gets it.
I'm locking my Lucid account. I'm just done. I'm not going to trade again.
My man.
I nailed that 150-point trade on the Tradeify funded, another $200 on the Vanquish eval, and I'm just gonna keep that going. I'm not gonna try to trade it here.
Bang, bang. How we do it.
Joe, I'm not gonna lie. Be a man and trade it. All in.
No.
Trade it, Joe. Trade
All
it.
in.
I'm gonna trade 6 minis at the highs.
Oh,
Fuck yes. This is what we live for, baby.
Hell yeah. Get rid of weeks of hard work in one morning.
And then go soak all day.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be title of the next YouTube video. How to give away all your profits that you made
How to ruin your
in a
day.
month in one morning.
How to ruin your fucking day.
Yeah.
How to ruin your fucking day.
Do you want to know how to get fucked? This is how. That's how I start the video. That's the hook.
You don't even have to get fucked. Tired of being happy.
Tired.
Your life is too good recently.
Has life just been working out way too well for you?
Try blowing a prop account.
Oh, goodness. Wow. ES just drifting.
Dude, the craziest part that I just noticed is that we're not even above second standard deviation. Oh my god. Second standard deviation VWAP on ES. This thing is like just chilling. It's not even that much in a premium. And
Also,
the
every
RV
car
value.
is in 3 minutes. And we should take a buy, of course.
Super positive gamma.
Super.
Super.
What a day.
I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee and then I'll post auction theory stuff.
Sounds good.
Where's this fucking thing?
Dude, I'm getting flashbacks of the Nicey. It's just ripping all day.
Maybe we go up 2.9%. Who knows?
I know, right? 1,000 points on NQ today.
Maybe we do it.
Dixie just swept pre-market lows. Oh, here they go. Pressing on the gas again.
The VWAP from the high.
Oh my goodness.
733 on the
Terry.
Qs. Watch 733 on the QQQ. That's a big game level.
Heard that. Floor it, Terry.
Boom reverse, Terry.
Put your foot on the floor.
Put it in damn reverse, Terry.
I don't want you to let off the gas until you see a checkered flag or God.
Hell yeah. God damn. Where do I do this shit? How the hell? What the hell am I doing? I don't know. Where the fuck did my shit go? What the fuck?
Absolute pumpage.
Oh yeah, gold just keeps dumping now. Dude, oh my god, I went through pre-market low, dude.
Damn.
Look at
Congrats
that,
to the
bro.
shorts. Yeah, there's the 420. Nasty. Where's oil at? What's she doing?
What in tarnation?
Looks like oil retracement back to the 15-minute EMAs. I watched like 81 area for the short retest.
Oh my god, look at that dome, dude. Ooh.
Look at that damp. Yo, Jordan. Ooh.
What's goody?
Question. If
What's
you
that?
remember again, if you have used it recently, do you know how to set a stop loss on Vanquish?
Will, that was such an easy layup for you. Come on.
Yes.
What the hell's the stop loss? What the hell's the stop loss?
210-point gain, MNQ, trailing stop higher to
Jesus
orb high.
Christ.
Yeah, bro.
The way I would do it, Nance, is I would have to bring up the actual options chain, and whatever strike I was in, or whatever legs I'm in, if I'm like selling them, I would have to find them on the actual options contract and then input the limit price of the contract from there.
Okay.
AMD new high of day.
Oh yeah.
New high of day. Yeah. Nice pre-market low sweep on gold there. Let's see if they hold it here. M&Q, I still cannot touch.
Okay.
And then we just rip like fucking 300-400 points.
I'm trying to figure out where and when to do my call spread.
When SPY hits 780.
I know. I've been looking at that one.
Yeah, SPY hits 780. I think I can sell an SPX call credit spread.
I've been looking at that one.
It needs to happen in the next 25 minutes.
I might actually go short at 780.
If there's premiums on SPX call sides, I haven't even looked this morning. I mean, we have no ceiling right now on SPX. Q's
Got no ceiling anywhere. God damn.
Q's has some resistance.
No
up here.
ceilings.
Around 7. Oh, is that a little?
I'll start listening to the album right now, bro. Here we go.
Is that a gap on Q's? What?
Tucci.
Oh, you do have a little gap on QQQ on TradingView. Tuesday, June 30th, after hours. It went to 736.45 and then gapped down at 4 a.m. for the open to 733.79. So like right here. So you have a little gap.
All right,
IW not really wanting to go higher. SPX trade 0 days. I mean, a little bit risky, but selling 78.50s and buying 78.70s, a little $20 wide spread. You can collect $50 per contract gain on it, so about $35 higher on SPX. I mean, that doesn't seem too terrible.
Well, when we get a move like this when the VIX is at 14. Oh my God! Look, dude, all you have to do, Maple, is literally just short the EMA 20 on gold every time, and you can scout like several points.
Yeah, dude, 100%. Look at that last 20 EMA tap. This one's a bit riskier because it broke the pivot already, but
yeah.
Even this morning, I was like kind of upset with myself that I missed those A+ entries out of the gate, right? Like big red candle, market opens, but look what it touched. 15-minute 20 on a red candle with CBC bullish. That's like A++. So I had to wait for a lower time frame thesis. Like 7 minutes later, missed out on a big chunk, but we're still up. 200 points right here.
Exactly.
Those SPXs just went 20%.
A little pullback.
A little bit.
A little pullback.
I don't think that's higher day. I think we can slow
I think we go a little bit higher.
Really? You think so? What makes you think that?
I think we go a lot lower.
What makes you think that? Here, I gotta go on my Spotify really fast.
Yeah, I mean, all of the strike prices below you on SPX are decreasing. All the ones above you are increasing. And it's crazy. They're significantly increasing at 78.30 up to 78.50. Oh, the Discord stream will love this. Knots will remember this as well. Will remember this as well. So I feel like if I take this trade on SPX, this is going to be a repeat of what happened to me when I was in New York City. So when we went to the New York Stock Exchange and market was making new all-time highs and we were ripping, decided to sell an SPX call credit spread.
Oh boy.
And this was like in the middle of the day. Will took one as well. I think, Nas, did you?
I took one as well and I lost, yeah.
Yeah,
Same.
and that was a brutal hold because it literally went, I think I actually sold, if I'm not mistaken, I think I sold 78.55s. I think Will was $5 underneath me on the strike. I think he sold 78.50s that day. And we went all the way to 78.55, and I was down pretty heavy, a lot more than I usually allow it to. But the chart told me we would not be closing above that. And I had to watch SPX continue to grind higher for 3 hours. And then at 3:45, 15 minutes before end of day, my contracts went in the money, and I was like, oh shit. And 1 minute later, it rejects, and then we sell down lower, and my position goes from like minus fucking 700% to about minus 200 to 300%. I'm like, okay, that's where my stop should have been initially. And then what happens for the last 5 minutes of the day? We end up selling off, and it was correct, and it did expire for full profit 100%. I closed it at entry the second I saw it, though. I market sold that bitch. So long story short, I feel like if I enter this trade again, it's probably gonna live through that another time. And that
long story short, open a credit spread and hold on to it until the end of the market.
that would ruin my Thursday. Oh, hey, my SpaceX puts. Hey.
Man, this album's so good from Lil Wayne. Oh my god.
Tucci?
Yeah, dude, I'm listening to No Ceilings right now. Because we said no ceiling on the market, bro. I just felt like it was appropriate.
Look, now those SPX that call credit spread at 50, 55. Now it's at 35 already. See, if I take the trade, I would look for something like that, honestly, where I would probably lock in the profit earlier, but stop at entry and not hold it. Now I think I could sell credit spreads for a little bit farther expiration.
Oh, look at this, dude. 15-minute about to flip, bro, into bearish EMAs on gold. Finally. No ceilings. Down.
We'll pull back. Just I got nothing to really do. Man, oh man. I got the horses in the back.
And his movie back.
MU wants to get above this 950 level. Huge level.
Oh my god, MU's at 950?
953.
Dude, oh my god. It's
My
it's
RAM is looking great.
It's almost up $100 from where I took the call. I should have bought for Friday expiration. They'd probably be up like 3,000%.
That's why I was asking you yesterday what expiration you have on this.
Yeah, I was gonna take the Fridays. They were just a little bit more expensive for the 900s. I was not expecting it to go anywhere near 950 by Friday, so I just sized down and took. All right, I just got a fill on SpaceX puts right here. My stop's gonna go to entry now.
Like that.
Where's SpaceX at right now?
It is at 140.
Ooh, nice. Nice little pullback.
Yeah, so 150 was the spot yesterday. I had a level at 149.24, which we tapped into it at 325. It rejected the next candle, and I took puts. How much the money on it? Mad boring.
Bounce spot on ES right here.
God, dude,
For 7/8
that's
26s. I'm not playing it. But I would long it here and risk down to 2821s on ES. I'm not in it, but that is what I would do if I was still trading.
If anyone took that SPX call credit spread, it just went 50%. And SpaceX is hitting my first main target downside here.
We're about to see the 5-minute 9 EMA for the first time on Qs. And Q, we're about to see the first 5-minute 9.
Gold having a nice little rally up.
Oh yes, SpaceX. Oh yes. Die. You suck. You're a terrible stock. Why did you even go back to 150 just for me to short you again? Oh, sweet mother of pearl. I'm going to have to send JC a message. We talked about it yesterday. Jordan even threw it up on the live stream on YouTube with taking the VWAP. Oh, look at the volume on SpaceX. Holy shit.
The Genesis line.
The Genesis line. That
Thank
lined
you,
up.
VWAP off opening price, baby.
Yes, sir, it did. So if you attended the Wolf Summit, I mean, we did it all right there live on the stream. I've never taken a trade based off that before. This was the first time after learning about it, and it worked.
That would be the risk spot on that kind of trade on ES. We're coming back into value right here. We're kind of leaving a bit of the premium that we made over the first standard deviation VWAP.
Oh, look at that dump on MES, dude. Hell yes. You still not in a trade, Jordan?
What's that?
Are you still not in a trade?
Yeah, I haven't taken anything.
Respect, bro. Respect.
Just chilling. Coming right into 10:50, 11:10 macro time. Maybe this is something here, but yeah. I'm willing to hang it up and just chill.
Mabel, I love the losses column, bro. No, none. We go.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, we go. None, bro. No losses today.
Lego.
MU is running.
Yeah, she is. I have that in one of my GameStop portfolios for the competitions we're doing over there. Where's that portfolio?
You just said GameStop?
No, GameStop. It's one of the companies we're working with. They do like little trading competitions. Dude, I have MU. I basically full ported into MU on it, and they give you $1 million to trade with in each portfolio that you have. It's up to $1,096,000. We're up $97,000. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
I have 3 portfolios. They're all green, but that one's doing the best. Still, even with that being the case, I'm still in like 101st place or some shit. It's ridiculous. There's guys that are up like 50% on that $1 million. Wild.
Dude, I love the slide deck that Rocket Lab put out for their earnings. It looks like a comic book.
Yeah.
All right, I just shorted the EMA 200 sweep on gold. Let's see if it works out. Small size, though, very high risk.
Yeah.
Very tight stop, too.
Where's your father? Hold him 1 second. He doesn't sleep long. That's his problem.
very extended.
Yeah, we are definitely extended here.
Like super extended.
If we get back up and make a new high, like to 300 on NQ, I am going to start my call spread. That puts Qs at around 734-ish. We're still sitting on the 5-minute 9.
Q is a little bit weaker now, though.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I mean, SPY got the biggest pullback, but like SPY will bounce off the 21 hold and bouncing back up. Q's closing underneath 5-minute 9, though. Looks like Q's wants to come down lower.
SPY's at 5-minute 21. First 21 tap all day.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe we get a little decent reaction right here. We'll bounce back up.
Hold. Hold.
I'm flat on the gold trade. I don't like that 15-minute closed above EMA 20.
Oh, you gotta give us more than this.
I did close in with profit, though. It's not the profit I wanted.
That's a decent reaction here. Come on. It's an okay reaction. We want like over previous candles cues. Come on. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yup.
Uh-huh. Go Pat. Uh-huh.
Oh, mama.
Mama.
Don't make me close it right here for small green. Come on.
Maple, you need to log out, dude. You need to log out and log back in and refresh the dash.
Oh, so log out. I just closed out. What do you mean?
No. You need to log out. Like, go to your actual profile.
Settings.
Log out,
Okay,
and
I
log
see.
back in. It'll
Settings. Thank you, sir. Dude, I am a caveman when it comes to tech. Thank you.
They gonna pamp it.
I'm kind of hoping so. I need it over 230.
Oh, I know they gonna pamp it.
There it is. All right. Okay.
Show me tree hunter. I want to get my call spread. I'm gonna get a starter at 300.
Little caves. I don't want to let this pull back again, though.
I think it's probably a fake out, boys. I don't know.
Do you think we're going to go back down?
I mean, if you look at the 15-minute chart, we still have so much room.
The 15 is like so extended. It's disgusting.
Like we just flipped CBC short on 15-minute and just get a classic like sell green, cover red scenario towards the EMAs.
I just got stopped out to secure a green trade. I mean, you get a decent little reaction, but that wasn't.
Yeah, we failed to flip CBC on 3-minute as well here. I'm waiting. I'm gonna set my hands on this one. Nice. Before we go short, though, breaker. Oh, well, look at that. He's short. I might as well go short too, huh?
I'm kind of digging it.
I'm scared. I'm scared to be amazed. That's the big hurdle.
Look at that 30-minute. That just closed on Q's. And that, again, the 15 and 30, I mean, that looks like we want to go back.
If it breaks bill, I gotta de-risk, even though it'll be small. But short green cover red rules.
I'm with you.
Yeah, I gotta cover it out there.
I'm
16.
running too late.
I just got it.
I'm too late for this. Too late for the party.
Ready? Just give it like 30 seconds, right?
Yeah, your TP should try to be somewhere at like 150s. 150, 180s, yeah.
We're at 185. Good rejection on SPY. Come on, ready? All right, 15 seconds. Here we go. 15, 14, 13. Here we go. Ready?
My God, the gold short print tomorrow.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Candle close. Instant red candle down. Come on. You know you want to. You don't want to hold. That's the one. Don't do it. Don't do it, motherfuckers.
All right, gentlemen, amazing day. Good to see us develop and get our biases and stuff like that for tomorrow and next week, but I'm going to head out.
Sounds good, bro.
You know, great work today, Joe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Later, Joe.
All right, you guys have a great day.
Later,
See you later,
Joe.
Joe.
Tab it lower before you go higher, please. We need to relax and take way too much cocaine this morning. You're freaking down like 5-hour energy shots. SPY doing it. A bit better.
Most SPY's going down.
I mean, SPY got a decent 5-minute rejection candle. Yeah, it's underneath the 5-minute 21.
Q is much stronger here, though.
Yeah, look at SPY on the 15, 30-minute compared to QQQ right now.
Yeah, look at that push up on Q.
Yeah, Q's just one.
I mean, he made 20 on 3 minutes holding really well. And you're shorting this is like freaking suicide right now.
Will put my head in the guillotine because
I'm setting my first TP at 180. I did enter a short. Man, it's so strong to the upside here. Ugh. Oh my God, the gold short just worked out so beautifully, dude. Oh, I wish I was still in it.
Dang, dude, I only had NQ up. Look at that 20 EMA you're calling.
Yeah, dude. Well, I was calling 200 in a 3 minute. Like, look at this huge. Look at that.
Okay.
It just kept tagging into it over and over again, and I was looking at the 15-minute candle, and I was like, wait a minute, this looks like
there. Go SPY.
Yeah,
SPY's
agree.
doing it. Gosh dang, come on, Q's. Join the freaking party.
Use, go.
Gosh dang.
Yeah, like I want to see like trap buyers up here, like stop out like 15-minute EMAs, like 30,100 would be ideal. And that's not even the 20 on 15, but a non-EMA breach would be sick.
They're holding the freaking bill right there, dude.
I know. I'm glad I took half off this shit.
SPY's almost down to my level right now. This freaking pullback. Q's can't even break this freaking SPY yet. Come on. Alright, there goes SPY. A little bit more. Take it down. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that SK's call credit spread though, at the top, that would have been fucking fire. That was literally high. I think they're sitting at 5 cents now from 55.
the EMA 20, bro. I'm 3 minutes just holding it in Q up, bro. What is this? Gross. I should have took the damn MGC short, bro. Should have kept it. Damn it.
Yeah, SNDK just got ripped. MU's at 960.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out of this MQ.
Yeah. Qs can't do it. SPY.
Yeah, it's just not going to catch the same downside.
Some time was 15 minutes.
SPY looks like ass. So does IWM. Jesus, look at IWM.
Yeah, look at that. Too much pump to the upside there. Yeah, I'm out. I'm not making too short.
I mean, it's literally just saying this. You just got to move from 1400 to 1480 in 10 minutes.
Yeah, look at Micron. Look at MU.
That's why that's happening.
Damn it, dude. I should have stayed with the MGC short. Oh, whatever. That would have been, I got to that 443. That would have been 20 points right there. Almost. 15 right now. Damn.
Yeah, the SPX Conquerors is in full profit. I'm so dumb.
I think MQ wants a new high for the session.
I'm still thinking we can pull back.
Well, we just put CBC on 3 minute again. So, I don't know. This thing just, I feel like it wants to just rip higher.
IWM, RTY, kind of leading here. SPY still weaker. VIX is popping up a little bit. It ticks under the 0 line. I think you're probably going to see a few of these other names outside of your mags that are ripping right now. You want to see them start cooling off, and maybe Qs can pull back a little bit. MU's just fucking going. Look at SanDisk. Oh my god. Look at that. Yeah, look at oil. Oil's on tear.
SPY's under the VWAP and 21 EMA now.
Yeah.
IWM is under all that.
So let me just a few of these things holding Qs.
I went long and MQ. And I'm pretty up.
Dude, I know it's a 3-minute EMA battle right now.
Yeah, I already sold half 20-point game.
Hey, that's how you get it, bro.
Come on, break it.
Well, we're testing more below. I'd love to short, but I can't chase it here. That 20 EMA. If I miss it, just like Jordy said, if you miss your setup, you miss your trade, what should you do next?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Microsoft pulling it back. Amazon pulling it back. I mean, no other mags are really pumping right now. I still think I think we can pull back a little bit before we see any final cues. Shorted the hell out of JPM this morning. Oh jeez. I can't do it. What a day. Órale. What a day.
I mean, we ain't going anywhere.
They're just gonna hold it here, aren't they? ES like wants to get a little lower here, so maybe in 2 follows.
Yeah, it's everything right here is telling me that we're still gonna pull back a little bit.
I see the same. Like, yeah, I just can't see us not doing it. I mean, you got SPY and Qs SPY and IWM much weaker. It's just Qs, and you got SanDisk and MU, the only reason for that pump.
But now, like at the same time, like SPY is coming now within sense of the level that I wanted to see it pull back to. And it can hit, and Qs can still be right here. And if SPY starts bouncing off of it, Qs can just hold 5-minute 9 and chill between here and high of day and slow down into lunch. I think the best thing was honestly from earlier for selling that call credit spread.
Yeah, I just got out of my M&Q long. Still green trade.
New lows, iDubbbz.
Damn, dude, gold, bro. Oof, I should have stuck with this bad boy. Beautiful moves today.
Oil is flying. Look at USO. Dude, that's what, 15 green 5-minute candles in a row or something? I can't zoom in on that chart over there. It's too far away from my face, but it looks like a lot of green candles.
Oh my god, gold just dumped the pre-market low again, dude. Oh.
SPY just hit my level. I kind of want it to not bounce and accelerate it and let Qs finally break it down. IWM's already doing it. All right. Accelerate it. Accelerate. Accelerate.
Accelerate. Levitate. Interesting. Maybe gold pulls back to like freaking 43.40, dude. Can you look at the daily?
Well, SPY SPY and IWM pull back. Q's nothing.
I would say, yeah, SanDisk is still fucking going here. Shit's crazy.
Yeah, very happy I got that in Q play. It's kind of just like anyone's game at these levels. Huge coin toss.
Yeah, so now I'm interested to see watch SPY bounce off this level that I have on my chart. And again, I think it'll keep Q's above 5-minute 9 and high of day. Because now that's where I'd be looking to go long off SPY and ES.
Dude, if we get a dip on SanDisk and MU, Q's is gonna drain. Has a big little pop there. And Q, okay, SanDisk.
Tesla's trying to test some equal highs here. AMD sitting at the daily 21. It broke the flag, equal high, pulled back, retested it, wicked up, made a new high, just pulled back down, and now it looks like it's another flag. Still want to see it bust through this daily level and eventually go to 500, but I don't really have too much faith in it, but I got majority of my move for the upside. I don't know how much more she wants to give me. Amazon just went red. Microsoft's still coming down. Meta's coming down. Jesus, MU. MU's at 974.
SanDisk is 1530. 1400 to 1530 in 20 minutes. There's like actually nothing else you could do there. That is just crazy. Q's is going to start popping. I mean, the fact that it actually isn't popping now is crazy.
Well,
I mean, I know, yeah, everything else is, yeah.
There's literally nothing else is supporting Q's.
Oh my God, look at Microsoft, Meta,
Yeah.
Google.
Yeah. So your small caps and your banks are moving lower. So IWM relatively weaker. SPY is getting what I would say is a healthy pullback on your 15-minute chart after the overextension. Q's started to, but then the momentum shifted out of some of these names and went over to your SNDK and your MUs, and that's just keeping QQQ a little bit more flat up here.
Oh my God, look at SanDisk. Oh, just ripped another $20 right there. God damn.
Holy shit. Look at the volume on that. Oh my God.
Is there something going on there or just going because it's fucking SanDisk?
I think it's just going because it's. I mean, technically, these are the names that I think that are going to continue to run higher, which is going to take QQQ to an all-time high.
Mm-hmm.
I think SanDisk is going to run. I think DRAM overall is going to move higher. I would like to see MU move higher. I think NVIDIA is going to make a new all-time high. I'd like to see AMD start pushing back up to 525. pushing back up to the highs from where it consolidated in June. Microsoft just went extra soft. Straight limp mode. Just wait and see if this AMD flag inside of a flag is gonna finally go.
Okay, this is gonna sound crazy. I just got SanDisk $1,500 puts for tomorrow expiration.
Oh, you're insane.
Only one.
You're insane.
My stop is going to be $1,575, so another $25 move. I'm up for the week. So I'm gonna let it fly.
Freaking SPY and IWM, such great pullbacks.
Yeah, look at. I mean, they are draining still.
Dell pulling back a little bit. HPE's pulling back a little bit. I know HPQ gave it back. RTY flushing. SPY just hit the bottom of the zone right there. Just underneath the level. Q's is still sitting up here. I mean, I wish I was still inside this short, but I'm not holding through this bullshit.
Oh my God, SanDisk, you little bitch.
Still going.
Yep. Just got another $5 pop.
Maybe pull this up real quick. Oh Jesus. 1600.
Oh yeah, no, I could see that.
Yeah, I'll short it there. Yeah, a little.
I'm gonna get stopped.
Going against SNDK, I think 1600. You can scalp it.
Okay, I tried my 2 trades against the grain today, and I lost both of them.
SNDK CEO was speaking somewhere.
Oh, that's why. Okay. I'm like, there had to be something. I mean, it has gone straight up.
Oh. What the fuck? You see that volume just hit SPY and it just
Q's.
Yes. What in the world? Oh, well.
Look at the 1 minute.
IWM is just ripping to new lows.
Gosh dang it, dude.
There goes NQ trying to get under 200.
Oh, my short. I don't know. Motherfuckers.
Motherfucker.
Freaking stupid. Look at that volume. Look, that SPY right now is the highest volume of the entire day. Since the opening, the highest amount of volume on SPY just hit.
Oh yeah, the CEO is just talking about raising their guidance over the next few years, basically.
This is getting gnarly.
Let's go, baby. I got orders on high and Q short.
God.
I added to my call spread on Qs.
There you go. No, fuck you.
All right, I covered a quarter. Thank God, NQ.
Oh, okay. U.S. sends a fresh aircraft carrier to Middle East.
I fucking knew it.
I hope everyone's okay, obviously, but GG's
God dang, man. Fucking knew it.
Trump's like, wait, what are the markets doing? Let's nuke them. Nuke the markets.
Gosh.
JD, are you short yet? Are you in an NQ short position? Perfect.
Oh yeah, I'm getting stopped out of SanDisk right here. Motherfucker. Like what in the freak? God damn. She's a poppin'.
I just wanted to stay underneath like 225 to get the move down to 180. See, I talked myself out of that SPX call credit spread because I have PTSD from what happened in New York. But see, if you don't trade with emotion, look what happens.
Yo, pleasure making money with you guys today. All wins, no losses. Let's do it all again tomorrow. Love ya.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Later, Mabel.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
Oh, maybe I didn't get stopped on this. Come on. Just when I was about to sell.
You only get stopped if you accept defeat.
Yeah. And
I
ain't doing that, bitch.
You can't lose on the trade if you sell it for a loss.
Come on. Show me 1,200 on SanDisk today.
Also, you can't lose a trade, Casey, if you just blame it on the market makers. It's always their fault. True. It's never your fault.
Probably get a little bouncy bounce on Qs. Would be the 5-minute 21, the first time of all day. $21. Yeah, your vol D was pulling back the whole time. Your mags were looking weak, and then again, oil was just freaking ripping. I mean, I see something like that. It just leads me to think that we're gonna see a move down to go lower.
Come on, get under that 21. Make my call spreads clean.
It took forever, but
Come on, SanDisk, drop another 20 points. Make me some money.
question is, do you long it here off the 5-minute 21?
All right, we got the salt, we got the pepper, we got the crushed.
All right, guys, I do have to hop off here. I will be in chat. Look at QQQ rejecting the coil and the vault there. Unbelievable.